Question.
Ano ba ang wife material para sa'yo?
Wife material for me is the loving person. Not only loves herself, but she also loves the people around her. And also, I like her to teach her kids good values like respect, kindness, and to be good to the people around them. Because when the kids grow up, they can be a good example of her. I also like her to pursue her dreams. And I want her to keep chasing what she really likes in life. And lastly, I would like her to keep expressing her feelings to me so we can solve problems together, or if she has something she wants to ask advice from, I'll be there to support her.
Konti.
Sa madaling salita,
Galing.
Ano sa madaling salita, Ned?
Ano ba sabi?
madami siyang gusto. Sa isang asawa. Ganun. Di ba magaganda yung mga... demanding siya. Hindi magaganda yung mga... Yung kanyang pagdi-describe sa kung
Yes.
ano yung kanyang mapapang-asawa.
Ito mo talaga dapat.
Ganda. Ganda.
Yes.
Doc Al,
I strongly agree. I believe that a wife material is someone who knows what she wants and can decide on it and would pursue it. Kasi I believe that yung tao na yon would pass that trait to her children or to our children. And at the same, I want my children to grow na gusto nila, alam nila kung ano yung gusto nila, and alam nila kung paano i-pursue yung gusto nila. And I think makikita mo lang yun or mapapakita lang yun if we show it by example. So I want my wife to be that person.
what if yung pursuing kung ano ang gusto nila will mean leaving the family?
It's fine. It would teach our children to be independent, and at the same time, it would teach them to love their mother or their the one that would go away. Na mahalin pa rin sila kahit na iba yung gusto nila. Tanggapin kung ano yung kagustuhan ng taong mahal nila. At the end of the day, if you really love someone, you are willing to accept kung ano man yung gusto niyang gawin sa buhay.
Ganda din.
Thank you.
Ganda rin, oh.
Sammy?
Actually, my friend is right. I'm agree with
Magkaibigan
them.
pala sila.
Eddie, sir.
Pustahan pa yata ito magtropang to.
Actually, I'm agree with them. Then, so yeah, have to be take care of our future and our child, and yeah, that's it.
Man of few words.
Oo.
Yeah. How many girlfriends did you have?
I'm single, ready for mingle. Yeah,
Like, you never had any girlfriend?
yeah, I had a few. Yeah.
How many?
Regrets. I had a few, but I didn't mention. I said, I say it clear. I state my case to its attention. Okay. So, Geneva, base sa mga sagot nila, isa dyan bibigyan mo ng green flag. Sino yun? At bakit?
Number 1.
Why?
Parang meron siyang prinsipyo at saka maganda yung values niya sa buhay. Based sa mga sinabi niya.
Okay. Congratulations, Eddie. Meron ka ng isang green flag. May chance pa naman, Doc Al and Sammy. Ay, okay ka ba doon, Casey, sa kanyang desisyon? Support mo naman yung choice sa Geneva?
Oo naman, oo. Close tie kay Sammy, pero sige, si Eddie.
At
Parang magiging best